right, I do it my way. I do it my way. Yes, you're welcome. You're welcome. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I work at Hair by Clippers. Yet that is my salon. So today we're going to see something that is very good, and I'd like you guys to give me your time because it's going to be lovely. This is MILLIDREADS, and we always be very careful when it comes to doing the cornrows. And I told you that whenever you're doing the cornrows, please, you should always try to learn this type of cornrow, that is inside cornrows, because inside cornrow can last longer than these other cornrows since it grows from inside. Yes, so the hair can stay there protective. So please, you should always try to learn how to do this inside cornrows. Yes, so now we're going to see how to do MILLIDREADS. Those people who always fear those ones who fear doing dreads, maybe it might be because of time. Others, they fear locking, thinking it's painful. So now I decided to get this kind of created this style as for those ones who can those one who fear to do dreads, so it can be easier for them because it takes a short time. Remember, when we're plaiting dreads, takes like 6 hours, 5 hours, but now if it comes to these MILLIDREADS, it's only 2.5 hours when you're done. So it's a crochet, but it looks like a dread. So now you see how the inside cornrows it is done. Yes, you just have to do it this way. And I remember I had to do a tutorial showing you like very detailed on how to do these inside corners, because some of you guys don't know how to do this kind of style, like this kind of cornrows, but yet is good for the crochets, because I have complained about people saying that crochets always come out very soon. They come out so quickly in weeks, but trust me, when you learn how to do this kind of a cornrow, it will be it can last as long as it can last longer. That's what I can tell you. So this is how we do our cornrows, and trust me, I would like to shout out everyone who is watching me. Those one in United States of America, UK, Germany, Abu Dhabi, Kenya, Nairobi, and big up to shout out to my friends in Rwanda. And then those ones in Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. Yes, we have those ones in Kenya, Nairobi, Tanzania. Thank you so much for watching my channel. So I guess you're learning a lot of things from my channel, and please, you should always make a point by going like, share, comment. You can comment, tell me what you feel about the channel, what you want to learn next, and what you don't understand sometimes. Yes, about the hair, sorry, we always use the soft kinky. I know most of you guys use soft kinky, that one for the one we always do to make spring twist. Yes, we all know the soft kinky. You can use that of Darling Kenya, you can use that of Darling Uganda. It's all the same. Yes, so it's what you use to do this. Yeah, if you're far, you can still search it. It is soft kinky. Yeah, they will show it to you. Soft kinky from Darling Kenya, or Darling Uganda, or Darling Tanzania. So now when we're done with that, we are starting doing our look. I would like you to see very careful, like when I'm doing my crochet, there's the way I always try to make my thumbnail when I'm locking it. Try to lock here is I first lock, then I put it there, so that doesn't bring that pain. You understand? Yeah, some of you guys just lock and then you pull it without even holding on the cornrow. Yes, that one is wrong. You just have to make sure that you pull this well. Try to look here, and then you try to crochet here, then you pull your thumbnail. You see, I don't leave it before my soft kinky has passed through. So those are the tricks that you can also try to use, yes, when doing that. And then when it comes to twisting, it's very, very simple. Look here, try to pull this, and then I put my thumbnail. I don't remove it. You understand? So that one makes it very soft. Yeah, it makes it very soft. So now when we're done with that, I always tell you that you should always be very careful when it comes to the cornrows. Yes, the specific cornrows of specific crochets. So it's not like you can just try to do all the crochets on your way, like the way you want it to be, but please, you should always make it a point by making it that way. Like if the cornrows are small, then that means the crochet that you're going to put there is supposed to be small. But don't make big cornrows and then you're going to put something that is very big, or the big crochet and then you're going to put something that is very small. That means it's going to look weird. So it should always, if it's a big crochet, then that is for the big cornrows, and if it's the small crochets, those are small cornrows, so that you skip you maintain protecting someone's hair, and even your style not to come out very soon, because those are some mistakes that we always do when it comes to that. Yes. Yes, I'm very happy. Thank you, Lucky, for the message that you sent me. Yes, I got it. Thank you so much. You know, like sometimes that those people have learned from my channel. Yeah, I'll be there and you find someone is giving you giving you a gift for that. But thank you so much, Lucky from United States of America. Thank you so much. I got my gift and I loved it. Yes, thank you. And there's my friend Judithiana. Yes, thank you so much for that. Now let's continue doing this, and trust me, you're going to love it. You just have to twist it this way and you tie down just like that. Yes, that is the way you can play it. It is very, very simple, and I know most of you guys can do this. All right, yes, after doing all that trimming, yes, we just have to get some little accessories, you know, those spiral pins. We always put them there so that they can look very nice and neat. Yes, so when we put them there, you see how it looks. I just love it. I just love it, just like that. I love it. It is very, very nice. Very, very nice. So when you do that, you see how it looks. You see how it looks. I love it. It looks very perfect. I love that. So when we're done with that, you can see how I'm doing my thing. These are the MILLIDREADS, and trust me, they are very protective. You can do them anytime. You can swim with them. Yes, and they long last. They are long lasting, very protective, and they take short time to get done. So it's 2.5 hours. You achieve the style. For now, let me say now, guys, see you, bye bye. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and please go and like, share hair by clippers on all our social medias. Bye bye.